Liverworts will be the key to realizing our vision of a sustainable future for food and energy. When we talk about a sustainable society, we talk about a green society, because plants harvest their energy from the sun and filter carbon from the air. However, for all their importance in food and resource production, and for all we have learned through the millennia about their sexual reproduction, there is very little research on the vegetative reproduction that is responsible for tubers and rhizomes. And plants also lag behind in their utilization for the bioproduction of useful chemicals.
We work with land plants called liverworts. They are small, proliferate quickly, and can be grown without soil. Importantly, we have developed genetic engineering technology that makes modifying the organism as convenient as it is with yeast. We are turning liverworts into a new carbon-neutral biomanufacturing platform, and our research bridges basic research on plant reproduction and applied development of technologies and modified plants. In fact, many people don't expect liverworts to be useful for these applications, and I always enjoy it when people or companies say, "Wow, that's interesting." Central to that is that we collaborate closely with researchers across laboratories and fields. We foster an atmosphere of free and open discussion among students, staff, and faculty. In our lab, we value open, lively discussion. Our students participate in the early stages of the development of a metabolic engineering and cultivation platform for liverworts, which is unique in the world and will be amongst the first with degrees and skills in a field that will be implemented across society. This social implementation is a central value to what we are doing, so we are actively searching for collaborations with industry. In particular, we are searching for manufacturers of new materials for foods and cosmetics, and manufacturers operating large-scale cultivation facilities such as plant factories, and those interested in carbon capture technology.
The group is part of Kobe University's Engineering Biology project. Please have a look at their work too, because the 8 teams that are part of this together advance the development of core technologies and their utilization. And through the mutual exchange of researchers, promote international talent circulation.
Go ahead, be a future engineer.